Globally, the number of new cases and deaths are also going down, with Europe leading the way with the largest decline last week. But the World Health Organization warns that the pandemic is far from over. Senior foreign correspondent Elizabeth Palmer has more from London.
Good morning. Let's start with some good news. Fewer people are now dying in the COVID global hotspots, which include India and Brazil. And more than 1.8 billion vaccine doses have been given worldwide. The funeral pyres in India are still burning 24/7. And millions, especially in rural areas, haven't got anywhere near adequate health care. But the country's infection is declining. It reported the slowest rise last week in a month and a half. In Brazil, as President Bolsonaro, maskless, was mobbed by supporters during a motorcycle convoy through Rio, medical authorities there were wrestling with worrisome new virus variants, including one that may be killing pregnant women at a higher rate as well as their babies. Meanwhile, the investigation ordered by President Biden has refocused attention on the origin of the virus. Did it come from animals, either in nature or in one of China's so-called wet markets, or from Wuhan's Institute of Virology, where research on bat virus mutations took place? The Chinese have refused access to the lab or its records and called the idea that COVID came from a leak there a political conspiracy.
The United States does not care about facts and truth at all, nor is it interested in serious scientific tracing.
But an American intelligence report says 3 Wuhan lab workers fell ill with COVID-like symptoms back in November 2019, a month before the first confirmed case was reported. So the possibility of a lab leak is under renewed scrutiny, as is the fact that American tax money was actually paying for some of that bat virus research going on in Wuhan. John?
Liz Palmer in London. Thank you.